You helping Mommy with the laundry? Yeah? Is that yours? Go fold it. Or throw it. Go get all the stuff that she folded already and throw it. Yeah, there you go. Lay down on the laundry. Go lay down. Michael, lay down. Lay down on the laundry. Throw it. Throw it in the fish tank. What?
Do not throw it in the fish tank. You already threw one of the things in the toilet bowl after I washed it.
No, that's mine. Give that to me. Don't throw that.
Throw that one in the wash. In the...
Yay! What you got there? Yay! Good job. Lay down. Lay down on that. Okay, got it. Bye-bye.